Are you also adding your Typeform leads to Notion manually? Then you are wasting your time on the task that can be completely automated. Yes, you heard it right. You can automate this task by creating an automation or workflow using Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that integrates many applications and automate your business. So now let me show you how you can integrate Typeform and Notion. So for that, I have created this automation using Pabbly Connect. But let me firstly show you how it is going to work in real time, and afterwards we will proceed towards creating this automation. So here I'm landed to my Typeform where I'm going to fill all these details, providing the first name as Smart, last name as User, and afterwards I'm going to provide the email address as smartuser@pabblytunes.com, and here I'm going to enter my phone number. Now let's enter the city as Bhopal, and afterwards I'm going to fill this form and we will check whether a new database is created over our Notion account or not. And here I'm going to just submit this form, and here you can see that my Typeform has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Notion account to check whether we are receiving the data over the Notion database or not. So here I'm landed to my Notion account where I'm on this database, that is leads, and here you can see that I'm getting all the details which I have recently filled over my Typeform. That is the name of my lead is Smart User, email address, the mobile number, and the city. So now you can see as soon as I have filled my Typeform, the data is automatically added to Notion account. So now you can also create this amazing automation by using Pabbly Connect without any coding. So now let's move on towards my workflow page. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which is the most important window for creating this automation. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user, then you have to type the URL of the Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. 100 of free tasks means you can explore the Pabbly Connect freely now. And if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in, and if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing discount coupon code for you, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out a Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans, as Pabbly Connect is currently offering you 100 free tasks. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect where I'm on the workflow page, and here we are getting this option for adding the trigger. And now you might be wondering, what is this trigger? So trigger defines the application which is going to initiate our workflow, and Pabbly Connect basically works on two principles, that is trigger and action. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Typeform, as I want to initiate this particular automation or this particular workflow as soon as I receive a new form submission over my Typeform. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Typeform, but you can select the trigger app according to the workflow you are creating and from where you want to receive the leads. So here I'm getting it, so I'm going to select it. Now let's select the app event as new entry. Now let's click over this connect button, and here I'm landed to the connection page where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection. And now let's click over this connect with Typeform, and as I have already logged in my Typeform account, so I'm going to just click over this accept button as my data is saved with Pabbly. And make sure to log in your Typeform account firstly before building the connection so that you can build a smooth connection. And here on my Typeform, I have created this form, that is lead form, which I'm going to select from this drop down. So here I have selected it, and now I'm going to select my response format as simple. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that its status is changed to waiting for webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do the test submission, means we have to receive a new lead over our Typeform. So for that, let's move on towards my Typeform where I'm going to copy the link of this form and paste over the new tab, and here I'm getting my form which I'm going to fill. So here I'm getting this form which I'm going to fill, providing the first name as demo, last name as user, email as demouser@pabblytudes.com, and here I'm going to enter my phone number. Now let's enter the city as Bhopal, and afterwards I'm going to fill this form and we will check whether we are receiving this response over Pabbly Connect or not. And here you can see I have entered the city. Now let's submit this form, which is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching this data over there or not, as we have recently built in the connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I'm receiving this response, that is response 2 seconds ago, and this response consists of all the fields which I have recently filled. And here you can check out all the details of my lead which I have filled, that is we are getting this city, we are getting this phone number of my lead which I have just filled, its email address, and here you can check out its name too. So now you can also create this amazing automation for your business too. And as we are receiving this response, this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app. And now I'm going to use the second principle of Pabbly Connect, that is action app. So here the action app is going to be the Notion, as I'm going to create a database over there. So here as we are doing some task over the Notion, so this is our action app. And now let's select the app event as create database item. Now let's click over this connect button, and here I'm going to build a new connection. So I will just click over this connect with Notion, and here I'm going to just click over this select pages, and again I'm going to allow the access as my data is saved with Pabbly. And as I have already logged in my Notion account, the connection has been built in. So make sure to log in your applications before building the connection for getting a smoother experience. And here it is asking me to select the database where I want to add the details of my leads. So here I have already shown you that I'm going to use this database, that is leads. So now let me select it from this drop down. So I'm going to search for it, and here you can see we are getting this database, and afterwards we are getting all these fields for providing the email address, mobile number, city, name of my lead. And now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually enter all these details like this, but no, I'm not going to do it, because typing the data will make it static, and I want my data to be dynamic so that it can be replaced with every new responses received in my Typeform. So here I'm going to map all these fields. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these details from the response which I'm receiving from Typeform, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and here we are getting a previous application, that is Typeform. So from the response of the Typeform, I am going to map the email address. So now let me search for it, and here you can see that we are getting this email address which I have mapped. Now let's map the mobile number from the response. So here I am getting the mobile number which I am going to map. Now let's map the city as well. So from the response of the Typeform, I am going to map the city. So here I have mapped the city. Now for the first name, I am going to firstly map the first name, and afterwards I will map the last name. So here I am getting this first name which I have mapped. Now I am going to provide the space, and I am going to map the last name. So now let's search for the last name, and here I am getting it. So I have mapped it, and now these fields are dynamic, which are going to change with every new response received on your Typeform. And now you don't have to manually type the details or manually create the Notion database, because this automation is going to do it for you. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request for sending this test data to the Notion. And here you can see that we are receiving this positive response, which demonstrates that a Notion database might be created. So now let's move on towards my Notion account to check it. So here I'm landed to my Notion account, where you can see I'm successfully receiving the details of my new lead, having the name, demo user, email address, mobile number, and the city. So by using this automation, I'm adding my Typeform leads to Notion without any manual work. And I have created this automation without even a single word coding. So you can also create an automation like this and many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. And not only these limited applications, Pabbly Connect can integrate thousands of applications for automating your business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box. So make sure to check it out for saving your valuable time, as now you can just focus on growth of your business instead of these manual tasks. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.